Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create poll on your Instagram story. So let's get started our video. Before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. Okay guys, first of all, launch on your Instagram application. And guys, launch on your Instagram application and then tap on your story on the top left corner. Guys, and after that you need to tap here. You can see create option, just tap it. Guys, please stay watching carefully. If you miss any step, you don't understand anything like that, so you need to watching carefully. And then scroll down, and here you can see it's poll. So how can you make it? Just tap on here and then ask your question like that. Do you love me? Okay. After that you can change background. Tap here on the down right side. You can change your color like that, which one you like, and then tap on the okay. After complete it, then tap here middle, and then you can tap here, sorry, you can, if you want to add anything, any more sticker like that, here you can see lot of sticker. Then you can resize or replace it, and then tap on send to, and then share on your story, then done. That's it. Wait, here I show you. Okay, it's uploaded, then tap it. Here you can see. Now you can tap yes like that. So in this way you can create a poll on your Instagram story very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this.